operators and delimiters section again.
Oh, okay.
So for all the celebratory emoji you posted on in the chat, this is not done yet.
Okay.
But it's getting better. I think this version is much better than what we had before.
Oh, wonderful.
Let me render it. Let's go through it again. Yeah. So this defines operator and delimiter tokens. That is the generic OP token type. They have these section names here. So you can see some of them are delimiters and some of them operators. Doesn't really matter. This one's a bit special. And there's a note saying that there's a bit of a difference between them, but doesn't matter in practice.
Okay.
Do you want to read this or suggest some improvements?
I should probably read it later. I wouldn't want to slow us down right now. I mean, let's see here. Operators use a expression. Okay. Well, delimiters serve other purposes. I see. For some tokens, the distinction is unclear. Okay. So I guess. So basically, what we're saying, I think, is that it's the context is more important. The context is more important, right, than the actual symbol.
Oh,
in other words, can it be a delimiter? Oh no, I see. It's not. The symbol always means the same thing. It's just that the notion of a delimiter is not set in stone.
Right. Well,
I see. Okay.
Some symbols can mean one or the other, and it's pretty clear.
Right.
That's this. And in some cases, it's not clear what to call it.
I see. Okay. Okay. All right.
And then I think I want to move this node up. Because there's a list.
Yeah, it seems like that might be a good place to put the notes so that people go into it. I mean, I guess in a way, another way to think about it is that the beginning of the discussion is about explaining and describing, and then the table, the reference, is at the end. So when we say bang token, we basically mean insert the title, but not the hyperlink. Is that right?
Which one? Oh, yes.
On line 1369? Yeah, okay.
So, is this better?
Yeah.
I don't know if I like this or this better. Each presentation is better for different purposes.
Yes. Well, yeah, they're in opposite directions, right?
Yeah, this has
One
the
is
individual names, so
symbol,
it's
yeah, name to
lengthy.
symbol and then symbol to name. Yeah.
This one is a summary.
Yeah. Should we explicitly name the tables? Like this is the list of this is whatever, the summary of categories or operators by category and operators by name?
I don't know. Seems to me that as a reader, I just want to click and see which I like better for the use case I
Yeah.
currently
Oh,
have.
okay. Sure. I mean, I think it works the way it is.
And after that, yeah, so this is much more compact. And I think it just flows better. One thing I do want to check is if we actually have them all. So that would be the current documentation, like operators and delimiters. So they should be roughly in the same order here. This one is special. Bitwise operators. These two are bigger, so they're in the bigger columns. I missed this one. I wonder how that happened. I know how that happened. It happened because it's also the separator here. So. Right, this one's there, this one's there. This one is assignment operator. express and operators there. This one, this one, this one. And closing delimiters. Other delimiters. Bang. Dot. Semicolon. Equal. Arrow. And then the assignment operators. Be all of them. And these have special meaning, and these are not used in Python, but we don't mention that here. Oh, right. And what I said in the pull request is we're missing information. Now the period can also occur in floating point and imaginary literals, and all of these things have special meaning, and these are not used in Python. Should we add that, or is that information useless?
Maybe added. Yeah, I don't know, maybe. I mean, I guess it's not really an operator or a delimiter in the first case.
Yeah, it should be a different section.
Yeah, it's a different, it's not. In other words, these considerations should not come up in that section. In other words, none of these 3 points really have to do with operators and delimiters per se.
Yeah, that's true. So should we leave that for a different pull request?
Well, or put them... Maybe the second one about the special meaning, because they're kind of like delimiters. The quotes. Or are we really thinking about this from the point of view of the parser?
Yes, or the lexer, I guess.
So I guess, the lexer, excuse me. So I guess from the point of view of the lexer, then coding declarations.
I mean, if you're the lexer, the algorithm, or the implementing
yeah.
it, I guess it doesn't really matter. If you are... I mean...
So the only question, only issue I have with...
There's two questions. Is this information useful? These symbols are not used in Python.
Well,
the second question is this the best place, like is this chapter the best place for the information?
Yes.
Which I think it is. Because...
Okay. Yes, of course. Because
it's tokenization, right? This is converting characters to the next best thing, and these are characters.
Yeah, I suppose the thing about the dollar, I suppose it's useful in the sense that if you see something, that's a clue that you're not dealing with Python.
Yes.
You might be dealing with something else, like regular expressions or.
Right. So we
a
have
shell process.
the
or
period
something.
can also occur in floating point imaginary literals. I don't think this is really useful information.
No, probably not.
Because when you're reading about the lecture, you've probably written a floating point literal in the past, and
Of course.
I mean, if we would have a list of all of statements like this, it should be complete. But we should also have like underscores and everything like that in it.
Oh, right.
If it's not
right.
a complete list, then this is not useful. Same here. If we don't really have a complete list, well,
Right.
why do that here? Right, I guess if you combine these with the symbols in here, makes sense. But let's like a map to all the non-alphanumeric printing ASCII characters, which is probably not that useful. So the only useful thing in here is this one, and
yes,
that doesn't look very useful.
I think so, because so for example, like the other week, some weeks ago, I remember I had a doubt. I was curious about like the double curly braces, and you pointed out that those were specific or particular to Jinja, and not strictly speaking Python.
Right.
And so I can imagine that,
so you'd look
a less experienced person, they might look at it and think it's Python, but it's really something else. Yeah.
So one thing I have been thinking about is writing a new section here.
For like the annoyances or the idiosyncrasies?
The beginning of the lexical analysis chapter.
Okay.
And basically describe how the lexical analysis breaks a file into tokens.
Oh, yeah.
So go back to the very beginning here, and so what do we do? We have line structure, right? A Python program is divided into logical lines. There's like physical lines and comments, encoding declarations, explicit line joining. Tokens cannot be split across physical lines using a backslash. Implicit line joining, blank lines, indentation, blah blah blah. So I would say that the parser looks at Unicode code points. It looks like the next Unicode code point, and depending on what that is, it parses a token, right? So
yes.
it basically we'll have this. If it sees a space, new line or a tab or something like that, then it parses a whitespace token. If it sees a number, it parses a numeric literal. Right, if it sees so number is 0 to 9, letter is A to Z, or underscore, literal. That's identifier or name. It could also be a string. And what else is left?
Let's see, space number.
Quote.
Quote, yeah.
String literal. Hash white space. And the other is an operator or delimiter. Would that be useful?
Sure.
Now I'm not sure again.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Oh, and here we can put the question mark.
Oh, good. Yeah.
And what was there?
The dollar sign. I think it was dollar sign?
Yeah, dollar sign. And I guess like this. And maybe this would be useful if we rewrote the stuff about white space. don't. Oh, it's in one of the commits that's not merged yet, right? Yes. Space. And marker, right, that's the end of file.
Oh, like the end of file? End of file. Oh, I see. Yes. Okay.
Right, so names need to start with one of these or a non-ASCII character. Keywords and soft keywords are names. Literals, so we have string and bytes, which have the two quotes. And string prefixes. I guess escape sequences we would.
Those would be in. Oh, I see. Do we include the non-printing ASCII characters, right? Like bell and.
Right.
Oh, I guess we have that. Yeah.
Well, they're. I mean, you could put them in strings and comments, and that's it. It's also like the original note here. Oh, this is.
Yeah, I see. Right. Okay.
The
yeah.
original note was their occurrence outside string literals and comments is an unconditional error.
Okay.
Just wordy, but useful.
Yeah.
So numeric literals, those can start with a number. So all these 0x and 0 or 0b prefixes, they actually come from C.
Yeah, I thought so. Okay.
And of course, the C parser was originally written in something much less advanced than anything we're programming today. So all the number tokens started with a number, and that's why we have the 0 and then the letter.
I see.
Of course, floating points can also start with a dot. Literals are just floating points. Right. Yeah, let's have a source character summary. Let's not even give it a section. the behavior of the lexical analyzer.
Feed. Error. So on line 32, where we say colon error, do we need to, in other words, that's an error?
I would copy the note.
Okay. Oh, right. That we put that. Oh, I see. The text, the description that we have over in the operator section. Okay. Nice. Okay.
Dots or period.
Do you not want to put a bullet in front of, like on line 31 and line 34?
So this is
Oh, I see. Okay.
Definition
right.
list.
Got it. Yes, they're a table, a list. I see. What do they call it? Definition table. Yeah, I see. Right. Good.
Which is probably semantically not the correct thing to do, right?
Oh, you mean because you've got multiple, you don't have, like, you're not defining a specific item, you're...
Yeah. Like this is not a definition of this, right?
Right,
it should be a table or a bulleted list. Here. That bites me. So I guess this should be a table, and that's can use a list table. Only the best way to define a table in the structured text. And whenever I write markdown, I'm sad that I don't have it. Oh, it needs to be indented, of course. Breaks up everything. This is not a correct list table. Row 9 does not contain a second level bullet list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, there's a space missing, probably. Does that look reasonable? I guess these could be lists as well. Letter underscore okay to put one element lists in here, or is that too much markup? I think I'm just playing around at this point. And I need to link all the sections here. So line structure, I guess. literal. Run operator. Space, these are go to new lines. Indentation. Explicit line joining. Also string escape sequences, so it has very special behavior there. For hash it'll be comment, for number it'll be a numeric literal, ASCII letters this will be a name, or it can also be a prefixed string or bytes literal. Literal dot operator. Backcode should have an example there. That includes the know we've done this before.
Oh, the
how to put
the table?
Literal backtick in restructured text.
Oh yeah, we did that. That's when you do the oh god, what is it called? The non-printing space. It was just a few weeks ago. We did it just. I have it in the notes.
Right. The zero with
let's
joiner.
see here, and I think I put them in Petter stream.
yeah, right. I remember now. Let's put in zero with joiners. There we go. Thank you for reminding me. We need a comment for that.
Zero with joiner. That's
yep,
right.
I just put it in. is this presentation okay? We have a table, and we have lists in the table, and sometimes the lists only have one element, which makes them more consistent. Like,
Yeah.
from a typography point of view, is this horrible or not?
Relevant sections. I think it's probably okay because, I mean, I don't know. There may be some style guidelines somewhere that I'm not familiar with, but oh, next token.
Element.
You mean like the followed by, or oh, I see. Okay. Do you want to say like token description or?
Token description, but it's not always a token description.
Oh.
Like,
yeah.
It's either the relevant documentation section,
Sure,
or the next token. Relevant documentation. I don't really love this wording.
How about just link to more info, link to more details, or something like that?
Links.
Or you could say character and then description.
Well, in most cases, this is the next token.
Right,
White space
true.
isn't really a token.
Next token, or you could say followed by, or okay. Oh, okay.
Put the non-error case up here. Now let's say input to the parser is a stream of tokens generated by the lexical analyzer. Okay, and the input to the lexical analyzer is a series of Unicode code points. The encoding declaration, of course, should be linked. Python reads program text, Unicode code points. The encoding of a source file can be given by an encoding declaration and defaults to div8. See this spec for details. So any information from this spec should probably be copied to documentation, except the bit of history. What? There's no information in this pet. This just says the default source encoding since Python 3.0 is UTF-8 and not ASCII.
Do we need to look at PEP 263?
Yes, that's the one.
Or is that specific? Oh.
That's the one that actually has the information. But I'm not adding links to PEPs into the documentation. I want to get rid of them.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Right.
It just defaults to UTF-8.
Okay, sure.
And I would even put that first. The encoding as a source file is UTF-8. Unless specified otherwise in an encoding declaration.
Okay.
Breaks down the stream of Unicode code points is let's say the lexical analyzer converts the stream of these Unicode code points into a stream of tokens. Which is then passed to the parser. But didn't we cover that in the introduction? No. introduction isn't very useful in this age. This still be first? Through the parser is a stream of tokens generated by the lexical analyzer. Yeah, probably.
Yeah, because that's where you define. I mean, it's all about lexical. Yeah.
So the lexical analyzer reads program text as Unicode code points. The encoding of a source file is UTF-8 unless specified otherwise. So the lexical analyzer is basically a big loop that looks at the first code point it hasn't yet processed and generates tokens based on that. Generates a stream of tokens. Something like that. Ideally in less words.
Do we need to include a link to the we had in a different place, we had a link to the source, the definition of a source character?
Source character.
Source character, yeah. Because we talk about code points.
Yeah, I don't think we can really define Unicode code points.
Okay. No, that's probably true. I but we would
Uh,
call them. But generally, we refer to them as uh, source characters, right? Yeah.
yes.
We had a link somewhere nearby where we pointed to the Unicode's document on source characters. Oh, okay, fine. Yeah.
Oh, I should probably, maybe we should link this.
Maybe just do a find. Oops.
Oh, it's probably also in the pull request that hasn't been merged yet. Is it? Oh, maybe it has a... No?
It has a hyphen? No, it doesn't have.
It doesn't have a hyphen, it has an underscore.
Oh my god. Of course. Of course.
No, we don't want underscores in these. Do we? Wait.
We probably only need underscores in things that we might use in an import statement. Oh, we do need them. Okay.
Well, let's just link here. Source characters. What's the original wording here?
This one.
Python reads program text as Unicode code points.
Code points. Yeah.
Let's keep that as Unicode code points.
Okay.
Also called source
characters.
Cool. Or maybe let's define source characters here. So it's not a synonym, right? Source character. Not every Unicode code point is a source character.
Oh, I see. Right. Okay. So basically, let's see. So it's not. It's just reading Unicode code points.
Right.
Fair enough.
We even need this wording then. I guess the lexical analyzer is program text as source characters. And now we can say any Unicode code point code points except the null control character. Or maybe leave this whole complexity to the relevant section.
Yeah, I like that because otherwise it becomes otherwise it becomes a digression. Yeah, good.
Source characters. And the lexical analyzer decodes
program text? Oh, I see.
Encoding UTF-8 by default and decodes program text into a stream of source characters. Ha! If the source file cannot be encoded, a syntax error is raised. Ha! That's it. And decodes the text into a stream of source characters. If the text can be decoded, a syntax error is raised. Nice. From the source characters. The lexical analyzer then generates a streams of tokens from tokens. We need these streamings and these streams. Let's keep stream of tokens only.
Okay.
We should probably define what stream is.
Well, maybe. Yeah, because nowadays people might confuse stream with like media.
Yeah. What is a stream? It's a sequence, right? But it's not a sequence because a sequence
No, it's not a sequence.
has a length.
Because it's unstructured. Yeah, it's unstructured.
Iterable.
A stream.
It's not iterable.
It's not an iterable, though, is it? The
Well,
stream?
no, it's not a Python object.
It's not a Python object, exactly. So.
Right, so it actually is a sequence in like the general sense of the word.
Right.
But I
in
don't
the general
want to
sense,
use it
yes.
here because in Python a sequence is a Python object with a length.
Yes.
Which it's more like a generator, and if it would be a Python
Yeah.
object, it would be a generator.
Yeah, stream is good because stream is not really an object. It's not something that's in Python. You know, it's not
Yeah.
ambiguous. Yeah.
Now, do we do the heavy-handed note here?
Do we need? Yeah. Well, it might be helpful for people to realize that it's not a Python object. So it's not something that they're necessarily going to see or parse. In other words, it's not something that they can refer to. Eventually, the stuff there will go into Python objects, but it's not a Python object yet. It's a fetal Python object.
This wouldn't be a ref, this would be a term, right? I know now we're saying source characters instead of code point. Further is not necessary. Alright, have I created a monster or is this actually useful? It's missing here.
Yeah, I think this is good. It keeps getting better and better.
This it is ambiguous here. Instead of call point, we just say character. So source character. Token, alright, space time form feed, new lines, backslash, do we have everything here? I would hope so. So this should cover the whole ASCII, yeah. Right? So there's a bunch of source control characters.
Yeah.
Null is special, but we don't really need to cover it here. It's under control character. Bell is not special. Backspace is just a control character. We have tab, new line, vertical tab is not special. Form feed and character return. Control characters. Space is there. We have the operator. This is for strings. Hash is for comments. Dollar is bad. Operator, string. Operator, or delimiter, that's the same thing. Dot can introduce a numeric literal. Maybe the dot should be moved to together with numbers. Let's rearrange it like this. So the same things are next to each other. Why is lexical source character still not defined? Oh, we just should have one less column here. Thank you, restructure text. Right, so we have quote for string literals, and then prefix ones are next to that, and then the numbers and names are next to each other, and the numeric literals here. Right, let's go on. That was the dot operator. Numbers are there. Operators operator, that's bad one. Operator letters, operators, backquote. Yeah, I think we have them all. So, is this useful?
I mean, I think it might be, especially either for people who are new or people who might be coming from other languages. I don't know. I mean, it's probably not useful to JavaScript programmers because they don't have any idea. But it might be useful to
the point of a table is it's easy to skip. If it's not useful to you,
yes,
then you just need to realize it's not useful and.
Yes, exactly. I think it's very easy to skip in that sense because you can just scan down the first column.
Right.
Stan seems to think you've got some sort of feedback or echo on your mic, Peter.
Me? It might be.
I was referring to.
Yeah, I think you have a bit of an
mine?
echo. Yeah. You're not muted. Now this underscore is a bit special because it can be part of numeric literals. See, the backslash has special meaning in string escape sequences. This is taken from the original. Where do we have it? The original somewhere here. Like the original wording has the following printing ASCII character has special meaning as part of other tokens or are otherwise significant, which is just useless information. But there's the quotes, the comment start, and the backslash. It doesn't really say what those things do. But it seems to me that the underscore should be put in the set. Because it can occur in the numeric literals. So, if you're coming from a language like C and you're looking up underscore, you would probably want to, or it would probably be useful if you got to the numeric literals section. So I want to put name in here. Underscore can be for prefixes. So nominally this is a table of like the first source character of a token, but it also has these notes for other uses. Oh, and I didn't remove the underscore from the previous thing, did I? Okay, I think we're ready for a pull request. What do you say?
Yeah. I mean, I think at this point, we're running out of. Was there anything we did all the comments and feedback and stuff, right? I mean, I think we've gone way beyond all of that.
Well, this was prompted by my own comments, pretty much. I'll mark this ready for review.
Do we have to run any tests? No, we've just made changes. I mean, it builds HTML, right? So we should be good.
Yeah, it builds. There are some tests that will run on CI. It's really not really documented how you should run those locally. I don't see any warnings from the Sphinx build, which is good. And I haven't committed this, right? Now let's use the same issue, I guess.
I'll maybe add my co-author tag in case if it's not already there.
Oh, yeah. And Stan, you're here, so you get a co-author tag as well, right?
Yeah.
You do need
participation
to say
prize. Well, he warned me that that my mic was echoing.
definitely want Adam to review this. So let's see what we need to change. Oh. Whoa. I think I've gotten too good at writing restructured text. I'm not sure if I like that.
Yeah, they call that, what, a sign of a misspent youth?
If I was young.
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Right, now this looks good. Alright, so we can return to our originally scheduled programming, which I don't even remember what that is. Like I have a list of links in my notes to go through when this is done. So F strings and T strings. Oh, Stan, can you talk?
Yeah, that's right. Stan had some comments.
I'm not sure what this one meant. Oh, guess he's not here. So let's leave it to further review. What is this? I think this is a link that's not in the right section in my notes. I'll look at it later. I have this link to show you, but I think, Blaze, you've seen that, right? fstrings.wtf.
Oh, yeah, I haven't finished that. That was a good tip. Thank you.
You haven't finished? It's like 26 questions.
I just took a quick look at it.
So, yeah, I remember what I wanted to do with it. I wanted to go through all of the questions and see if you can use the documentation that we're adding to figure things out. Does that sound like a good idea?
Yeah, it does.
As we did just right f-string section for the docs.
Sure.
It includes a
Yeah, this
formal
would be the
grammar.
right. This would be the. Yeah.
All right, so let's go. Print
Oh,
f
stands
hello
back.
world.
Well, we can ask him later. Yeah. Okay. So printf hello world.
So
What will be
well,
point?
you get the f-string prefix, then one of the quotes, and then an f-string middle. And there's f-string replacement fields which would start with a curly brace, which is not there. An f-string middle does not have
Wait a second.
lines or these or these, so it has source characters. So it's just
Number 2, I guess, right?
Yes, or number 3. They're all the same. It's a trick question. Can't get it wrong.
It is a trick question. Oh, I see.
All
Okay.
the answers are the same. So this one, yeah, there's no special cases in here, so all of these are this literal source character.
Number 2, right?
Yep. Now here we have this funny business. So this becomes a string replacement field, which will have an expression, and that just goes into formal grammar. Oh, not yield. Guess conditional expression, and that's Python expression without something.
I think it's going to fail because it's not defined anything.
Well, inside this is the Python expression ...
I see.
Right?
I see.
And we know from the documentation we had just now, I wonder if it's here. Oh, sequence of 3 period has special meaning as an ellipse is literal.
Oh, I see. So then it'll just say it's number 3 then.
Yes, it's number 3. Now, this is not just about f-strings, it's about all the other quirks of Python.
That's true.
Now, of course, in here you have an equals after this, so that's an expression, and then we have the debug specifier, which is equals sign. And what that does is documented in the standard library section on f-strings, the debug specifier. Right? So if you put number equals, you get this, but instead of number, you have the ellipses.
But there's no space. Don't you need a space?
You don't need a space.
Oh, I
Right?
see. Okay.
You don't have a space here. So this will take whatever's before the equal sign literally,
I see.
and then add the equal sign with all the spaces around the equal sign, and then put the result of the expression. So that means ... literally, then the equals, and then the result, which is ellipses.
Ellipses. Okay.
Right?
Cool.
Does whitespace matter? Yes, it does. Whatever whitespace you put in the expression and around the equal sign just gets preserved.
Oh, okay.
Which yeah, we have a CPython implementation detail. The expression is not handled in the tokenization phase. It is retrieved from the source code using locations of the tokens, right? So this whole thing you will not find in the AS. Well, you will find it in the AST, but you won't find it in the token stream, because this expression is literally taken from the source code, including the spaces. Right, so the white space is preserved exactly as it's written. Now what would happen here? So we have a curly brace in our f. Then our f expression is this part,
Yes.
which is a list. And the list is printed out, and when you print out a list, it puts spaces after the commas. So I would say this.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Right, so
Number one.
The wrapper of a list would be that. Next question.
Cool.
Now we have double curly braces. And the question asks, what about sets then? Well,
Same thing.
the trick is we don't have a set, we have a double curly brace, which is special.
Oh.
Right?
The
So the double curly brace in F strings means output a curly brace.
Oh, I see.
There's no special handling of the 1, 2, 3, so no spaces
So
gets
it's number
added.
2.
And then this one just closes it, yes. We didn't actually use a set, right? This 1, 2, 3, I mean, you could put anything in there, right?
Okay.
And this is not a Python expression. Right? That's just text. So that's a trick question. Well, is this a set then? It has the curly brace. Is it a set? Well, it's not, because the curly brace is part of S-string syntax, and the expression is this 1, 2, 3. Right, and when you put 1, 2, comma 2, 3 in Python, you get a tuple, a triple. Right?
Yeah. Cool. That's cool. So this one we would.
So
get,
how do you get a set? This is the way to get a set.
Oh.
So this adds the spaces because there's not a double
double curly
brace.
That's actually pretty intuitive.
No, it's not intuitive. It's
not
a hack.
Okay.
But I mean, when do you need to print literal sets inside F strings? You don't.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
It doesn't
Never.
matter that this is not obvious. Now, what happens here? Here we have an F string format specifier introduced by the colon. So the format specifier, well, it's also explained in here, like format specifier.
Yeah.
And it formats the 255 using the format function.
Okay.
And it sets this format spec to X. So what happens if you take 255 and format it with X?
You just get 255. Yeah.
Well, if you format 255 just like that, get 255.
Right.
But
I see. Okay.
if you put an X as the format specifier, you get FF.
Oh.
That's the hexadecimal value of 255.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
What does the C format specifier do? Why would anyone
C is
remember that?
What is C?
Yeah, what is C? Well, the result
C
is this Y with an umlaut on it.
Oh, is it
Yeah, it's
the Unicode?
Unicode character number.
That doesn't make sense.
Yes.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you put in a bigger number here,
Yeah.
you get increasingly weird characters. Whoa,
see.
that's
Okay,
a weird one.
fair enough.
What is that?
Wow.
I wasn't lying.
No idea.
Increasingly weird character. And this one, it doesn't.
It
even
almost
have...
looks like it might be a kanji of some sort. No, it doesn't make it.
What is
No,
it?
it's not kanji. It must be a. Yeah, I don't know.
It's a Nushu character
okay.
number 1B297.
Oh.
That's probably some ancient script that
Yes, exactly.
doesn't really have named characters. Anyway, 255 is this one.
Okay.
What is this? So the format specifier is #x. And again, I don't know why anybody would want to remember that, but if you put in a hash with the x, you get the OX prefix with your hexadecimal number. So the x is the FF and the hash gives you this prefix.
Oh, I see. Okay.
What about this? So the difference here is there is no colon here. There's no colon here.
Oh, there's no colon. Okay.
So before it was 255 colon #x.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Now there's no colon. So if we go back in here, that means this is part of the expression. So we get 255, and then the expression continues with a hash, and this is just
a debug.
This is just Python code. Right? It's not this, it's not that, so it's just Python code. What does the hash do in Python?
Oh my god, I don't remember. The hash is
What does the hash do in Python?
It's a exponent? No. No. What does the hash do?
It's a comment.
Oh my god, of course.
Right, so...
Oh, but I didn't... It's a comment even in the middle of a... Oh, I see,
yes,
okay.
It is a comment even in the middle of an F string.
Yeah.
Like if you do +1, like this is a comment, and the expression continues on the next line.
Sure.
So if you just have this, it will fail with syntax error. So we got to question 14, and unfortunately we are out of time, and we'll need to finish this next time.
That's so cool.
So if you remind me...
Yeah, we should. Because so far I think we figured it all out.
Well, I've done this before.
Pretty much. More or less. Oops.
Right, so question 14 next time.